I am Paul from Travels with PMB, and I'm staying in a solo ocean view room aboard Queen Mary 2 Cunard Cruise Lines. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the left of the door will be the bed. Nice size bed. It is only me in the room. Next to the bed will be your nightstand. Above the nightstand will be outlets as well as this lamp. Below, you can see the storage, decent amount of storage for the nightstand. Over here will be a little love seat and a footrest. In that corner, a little mirror, or for you is a thin mirror, but it is a tall mirror. On this table, this is complimentary. It reads, "We invite you to toast your voyage with this complimentary bottle of sparkling wine." Over here, one of the first windows in this room, this ocean view room. Next, you will find the desk. To the side of the desk is storage over here. You'll find your chair, a sturdy chair. Storage is here for you. Down here will be your fridge, and also storage to the side as well as a waste basket. On top of the desk, you will find outlets, your phone, glasses and cups, and this little kettle so that you could have tea in the morning, a little bit of snacks here, sugars, and other things. Mirror above the desk as well as two lamps. Going further over here, the second window. There's going to be a lot of natural light in this room and the opportunity to be able to see out of these big windows. I think it's really great for this room. Here you will find your closets. The first closet, half size, you find your hangers above and your safe and additional storage below, a laundry bag, as well as the form that you could fill out, and this deep drawer beneath. As we go over to this side, on top you will have storage as well as your life vest. Beneath, a lot of storage. You see here I put my two luggages here, so a lot of space in here, as well as your robe, complimentary, and bathroom slippers, or your room slippers I should say, and additional hangers. And here is a full-length mirror, nice size mirror on the inside of the closet. As we go further, here we see the thermostat, and this room, as I open up this door, watch your step. There is a step going into the bathroom. Right away we go into the towels. Above is additional towels. Beneath is your toilet. To this side, toilet paper. Your waste basket is beneath, some tissue and shelving, as well as an outlet, some cotton balls. Here you will find your bath and shower gel, shampoo, hand and body lotion, as well as your washcloths on the counter. This is the counter here with your liquid soap, two lamps, and this is the nice big size mirror. Beneath the counter, space for additional storage. As we come to this side, this bathroom has a shower door. There's a lot of people who do not like shower curtains. Well, here it is. It has a shower door, shelving inside, the clothing line up there, and it looks like it may be a nice size shower. As I go out of the bathroom back into the room, I turn this corner, and as I turn this corner, there is this big space here, this counter that you could put a lot of things, additional outlets, and beneath, further storage. That side and these sides as well. And over here you will find your hair dryer. Above you will find your remote as well as the TV that is right in front of the bed. I'm going to do a once over of the room, and I'm going to let you know what I think about this room. So what do you think about the room? I think it is a nice size room. I love the fact that there are 2 windows. I will have so much light coming into the room, as well as so much opportunities to just look outside the window instead of it just being one small window. It is beautiful to me. It has a lot of storage. And so I feel I will be pleased with this room, as well as has a lot of outlets. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. And can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.